Hey beautiful people, my name is Destiny and welcome to my channel. If this is the first time you are seeing my face, welcome guys. I know there are some new people here. I just want to say welcome. But if you've seen this face before, how do you think body? You are OG. So it's that time of the year again. Love is in the hair. So today's video is how I created this lovely vow look with just one eyeshadow. You heard me right, this time is one eyeshadow. So if you want to see how I created this lovely vow look with just one eyeshadow, keep watching. This look is really beginners friendly, so just keep watching. But before we get into this video, have you subscribed? Like, yes, have you subscribed? What are you waiting for? Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button down there below, and don't forget to click the bell icon there so you get notification when I upload new videos. I upload every week, so press that subscribe and bell. Press it now. So with that all said, let's jump into this video. So guys, my face is moisturized, so I just want to start about to lay my face first before I go to the eyes. I'm going to speed up my face versus applying my foundation, doing my highlights and contour things, because I've been doing this almost all my videos, so you can go and check. I have a highlight and foundation routine, so you can check it out. So I'm just going to speed it up. I hope you get it. So that's about it. So the first thing, I'm going to apply the Eyelid Girl face primer. Anyway, this is the Milani foundation, so that's what I'm going to use for my face. This is the first time I'll be using this foundation, and yes, I've been sleeping. This is the first time I'll be using this foundation. I've not used it. People will be like, how can you say that? How can you say you've not used this foundation? But it's the truth, I've not. All products used in this video will be in the description box below. I'm going to highlight. I'll be using the Colourpop No Filter Concealer. Then with my Eyelid Girl pressed powder and cocoa, and I'm going to concentrate it on the upper part. I like using that powder just for my cheek, you see. Then I'll go with my Robbert loose powder in Suede. This is more of like warm powder. I'm just going to use that in a circular motion.
Let's do this.
So I'm going to leave my face for now, and then let's get to the eyes. For the eyes, I want to bring you guys closer. So guys, I'm using my Eyelid Girl eyeshadow primer in Nude. I'm going with my BH Cosmetics 120 palette. You guys know this is like my own grade. This is the first edition. So I'll go with this red looking eyeshadow. So I'm just going with the Eyelid Girl face powder in cocoa, the same powder I use in contouring. That's the powder I'm going to put on the outer V and then my crease. See, you can just trace a look with just one eyeshadow.
Oh my god, so I've not been talking. So I'm just using my blending brush to blend it, blend.
So I'm going with my Eyelid Girl gel liner in very black. I'm done with my eyes for now. I'm going to face my lash and I'll be right back. So guys, I'm back. So I've done my lash. So I'm just going to finish the rest of my face, do my highlights and all that. So the first thing I'll do, I'm going to set the rest of my face with my Eyelid Girl. Set my Eyelid Girl face powder in warm caramel.
See, because I do my blush. Just need to color.
So now I'm going to set the rest of my face with my Eyelid Girl setting spray. So I'm using this Eyelid Girl Velvet Contour Stick in Radiant. Going to use it to contour, to highlight.
This is a cream highlight. I like it.
So after doing that, I'll go with my DIY highlights.
This is just me. Beaming. The highlight is beaming. Hey, what? So, you thought I passed the beaming.
I'm still going to use that same highlight. I like my brow bone. Then I'll take my setting spray. I'll spray this brush. Then I go with my highlight. Okay with it. I'm going to go back with this beaming. I feel this highlight just helps any highlight to beam. Yeah, I think I've gotten that ready. Can I go back to my DIY highlight? Eyelid Girl Lipliner in coffee. I'm just lining my lids. Then I'm using my Eyelid Girl Matte Velvet Lipstick in Snuggle. I'm going to keep the lips really neutral because the eyes is already saying so much, okay? So guys, this is the finished look. I don't know why I still feel I should add lip gloss to this look, but this is it. So this is my brow look. Woohoo. So guys, I feel like I really feel like adding lip gloss to it. So I'm using my Eyelid color high shine gloss in Doll Face. So I'm just going to put that in the middle. With lip gloss, it's everything. So I added lip gloss to it to keep that sexy shine.